I'm going to give you the close-up of the quality you could expect from this little collapsible camping stool. Super easy to use. So there's finger holes on the top, finger holes on the bottom. You basically just use that to pull it out and a little bit of twist, and it's totally locked in place. You can see sort of like these little pegs here are what lock in for it, so it's going to hold still. This thing is incredibly sturdy. Now you can see I'm no shrinking violet, and I sit on it with no problem, no fear of it shaking, no fear of it collapsing. This thing holds true as far as its capacity. I think the order said the weight capacity was over 400 pounds. So, you know, you got a long ways to go to be able to cause a problem with this stool, and it is very sturdy, does not shake at all. So just a little twist and it holds up just to this very easy to carry thing. Even comes with a little carrying strap on it, so you can hold it and just pop it over your shoulder and walk away. And this is a whole lot easier to carry than even a lot of the fabric stools. And I would dare say that this one is a good bit more sturdy too. It also has a little bit of a lock in it, so it doesn't fall apart while you're carrying it. It doesn't fall open. All you do is just give that little pull, twist, and you're good to go. This is a great invention, so convenient, so sturdy. I would really recommend.